Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial video to help you guys fix your problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can unlink your Facebook from your Instagram. Alright, so it's pretty simple. So for this you need to first open Instagram and follow the step which I'm gonna be showing. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment, and let's jump into the video without any further ado. So first step is you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom of your screen and click on the three line at the top of your screen over here and go on setting. Once you go on setting, you want to go on account, and on account you want to click on this option called sharing to other apps over here. This option, as you guys can see, click on it. Once you click on it, all the apps and all the website which you have linked to your Instagram is going to be shown. So you want to go on Facebook, and once you're in Facebook you can see where it says account center. Click on account center, and the Facebook account which you have linked right now is going to be shown over here. Now what you want to do is go on versus accounts, and your Facebook account is going to be shown over here, and right beside your Facebook name there's going to be a remove button. Click on remove. Once you click on remove and you click on continue, your Facebook account will be like unlinked from your Instagram account. Alright, but I don't want to do that right now, so I'm not going to do that. Alright, but if you want to do it, click on remove, click on continue, and it should be done. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can unlink your Facebook from Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step, and I'll be seeing you guys on my future video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day and peace out.